What if technical system diagrams could do more than just show devices? They could help you plan, troubleshoot, and collaborate with your team. In this lesson, we'll build a network map of a home system, but feel free to use your own setup if it's more relevant. We'll follow a simple checklist to guide us along the way. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is change our document status to draft. This signals to anyone opening the file that it's a work in progress. I'll navigate to File, Document Status, and select Draft. Next, we'll bring in the right shapes. Open the shape library and pick the set that fits your system. For cloud architecture, that might be AWS or GCP. For a traditional network, maybe Cisco. In our home network example, we'll keep it simple with the basic network shapes. I'll add that library to my shape menu so it's ready to go. Then, just scroll down to find it. Since we'll primarily be building from this shape library, I'll click the handle and bring it to the top so I don't have to scroll down each time. Now we're ready to start adding shapes. The first step in drafting any system is to get all the components on the canvas. Don't worry about placement or connections yet. This is just a quick inventory to get us started. For our home network, I'll drag out a modem, a router, and all the devices from my home that connect to it, like computers, printers, tablets, and phones. If you get lost in the shape library, hover over any shape to see what it represents, or use the Shape Search tool to find exactly what you need. And if you're following along with your own system, feel free to pause and drag in your own components. Once we have all of our shapes on the canvas, we can show how they connect with lines. Lines might seem simple, but in a technical systems diagram, the type of connection is just as important as the connection itself. First, think through the order of your connections. Then move each shape into place and add a line to show the relationship. In our example, the internet connects to the modem. I'll move the modem underneath and draw a line from the internet to the modem using these connection points. By default, lines have arrows at the endpoints to show flow, but you can remove them in the line options up here. And here's another pro tip. If nothing's selected on the canvas, any change you make to line options becomes the default for all new lines, which is a huge time saver for larger diagrams. Next, I'll connect the router to the modem, and then our devices. If you run into issues creating multiple lines from the same spot, try zooming in to see the connection point more clearly. It makes it so much easier. For wireless devices, I'll change the line style to dashed and double-click the line to label it Wi-Fi. For the wired devices, I'll leave the line solid and click twice to label it Ethernet. Finally, if a line lands on the edge of a shape, but you want to attach it to a specific port or on top of the device, grab the endpoint, hover over the shape, and the line will eventually break free and appear on top. Next, we'll organize everything using a container. Containers are essential for showing boundaries and grouping components, making your diagram easier to read as it grows. I'll add one around all our devices and title it Home Network. Now it's obvious at a glance what belongs to this particular system. In a more complex setup, you might use multiple containers to segment different parts of your system. For example, You could separate a guest Wi-Fi network from your secure devices, or define different cloud environments. And there you have it, a clear draft of your technical system. We've added the right shapes, connected them with lines, and used containers to define our home network. The diagram isn't polished yet, and that's fine. At this stage, the goal is simply to capture the devices and connections accurately. Next, we'll move to the share stage to validate our ideas, gather feedback, and make sure everything communicates what it's intended to. We'll see you in the next stage.